Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get free certification courses from HubSpot Academy in 2025. HubSpot Academy offers completely free professional certifications that can boost your resume and expand your marketing, sales, and business skills without spending a dime. First, open your web browser and navigate to academy.hubspot.com. This is HubSpot's dedicated learning platform where all their free courses and certifications live. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to sign in with your HubSpot account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free right on this page. Click Sign In and enter your login details, then click Sign In again to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll see the HubSpot Academy homepage. Look for the Certifications option in the main navigation or click All Courses and Certifications to view the complete catalog of available free courses. This is where you'll find everything from beginner-friendly introductions to advanced specialized certifications, all organized by topic and skill level. Scroll through the list of certifications and take your time browsing the options. You'll see popular choices like digital marketing certification or inbound marketing certification, along with dozens of others covering sales, customer service, content marketing, and more. Click on any certification title that interests you to view the full course details and curriculum. On the certification page, you'll see an overview of what the course covers, how long it takes, and what you'll learn. Click Start Course or click on the first module listed to begin your learning journey. Each certification is broken down into manageable modules that you can complete at your own pace. Within each module, click the module title to access individual lessons. You'll see video content and reading materials, so click play to watch the videos or scroll through the text content. HubSpot's lessons are designed to be engaging and practical with real-world examples you can apply immediately. After finishing each lesson, click Next or move on to the next module as directed by the course navigation. At the end of each module, you'll need to complete a quiz to test your understanding. These quizzes help reinforce what you've learned and ensure you're ready to move forward. Click your answer choices carefully, then click Submit to see your results. Don't worry if you don't pass on the first try, you can usually retake module quizzes. Once you've completed all the modules, it's time for the final assessment. Navigate back to the certification page and locate the final exam or assessment section. Click to begin the exam, which typically consists of multiple choice questions covering everything you've learned throughout the course. Answer each question thoughtfully and submit your responses to complete the exam. After passing the final assessment, you'll officially earn your certification. Navigate back to the certification page and click View Certificate to access your credential. From here, you can download a PDF copy for your records, add it to your LinkedIn profile, or share it with employers to showcase your newly acquired skills. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.